Okay, I have a Corbin-Russwinn lock from JD Hog. It says Assa Abloy on the front. The lock does work. Okay, he does have some fairly strong springs in this lock. I can tell by the way the key goes in and out of the lock. Okay, it is locked up. The bitting on it is not real bad. So let's open it up and see what kind of pins JD has put in this lock. I honestly don't see where having the name Assa Abloy on one of these locks makes it any better, but I guess they believe it does anyway. Okay, top of the keyway, and this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Let's try to use light tension. Okay, there's a little bit on 3, a little bit on 2, a little bit on 1. Felt like we might have had a little bit of a turn of the plug on pin 3. Okay, there we got a little bit of a false set then out of pin 4. Okay, and there it is open. Okay, let's open it up and see what kind of pins that JD has put in this lock. Get my board here. Get the camera turned around a little bit. A tight fit. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can slide this out. Without making too big of a mess. Okay, let's look at the pins and the plug. Okay, there's all the pins are in and they're working. He's got the top of pin number 1 and 6 a little bit smaller than the rest of the pins. Alright, let's dump these out and look at the plug, and then we'll look at the pins a little bit closer. Okay, let's look at this plug. I know he's doctored it up. Okay, at least there's no counter milling on this, but he does have it threaded, pretty deep threads. Everything else looks pretty normal. I just honestly don't see where a lock with Assa Abloy on it makes it any better lock than any other lock. But this one does have the Assa Abloy name on it, so I guess it makes people think they're getting something very high class. Alright, let's get these pins out. Okay, there's a large long serrated pin. We'll look at it real close in a moment. Okay, there's a little bit smaller serrated pin. No, it's a spool. Okay, there's another pin, serrated. Come out just like that. Okay, there's another spool. A little small serrated pin. And another long serrated pin. Okay, let's get the springs out and look at the Bible. Then we'll take a look at the pins. Okay, JD has threaded everything in the Bible. Okay, let's take a little bit closer look at some of these pins. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 is I'll turn these sideways so you can look at the key pins. Alright, here's a long serrated pin, a little short spool, a little short serrated pin, and he's made some kind of a deep type spool on this number 2 key pin, and on the same thing on this key pin, kind of long type spool. And this was a weird looking key pin. Got a spool, serrated key pin, and another weird setup on this key pin. And then we got another serrated pin on the number 6. Okay, this is what we have in this Assa Abloy Corbin-Russwinn lock from JD Hogg. I appreciate it, JD. Thank you for sending this to me. And we got it open. Hopefully it didn't take too long to do. Alright, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. Thank you again.